morning guys, welcome back to another vlog. The time now is 7:52. Right now I'm having our hotel breakfast. It's 70 baht a set. I think that is my set, the porridge set. Okay, never mind, it's not coming towards me. 70 baht a set. You can get porridge, fried rice, or normal rice with chicken, pork, or fish, and it comes with toast, fruits, eggs, and hot dog. Yeah, so it's 70 baht a set. Yeah, and then you get free drinks, cocoa, coffee, or tea. Yeah, so we'll be moving off at around 8. So I got 7 minutes to gobble down my food, but it's not yet here. 8 a.m. we move off. Well, the end goal for today will be Hua Hin, so it's about 400 plus km. So after that, along the way we'll be stopping at 2 scenic spots if I'm not wrong. Gym has it planned for us. Yeah, other than that, the stops will be at PTTs. Yeah, so catch you all along the way. It's just past 10. We've made it to Ayutthaya Historical Park. Yeah, so there's a few temples for us to explore. So I'm gonna walk around and explore. Yeah, I don't know where I am right now, but we'll get there. It's a huge place. Time to clock some steps. Catch y'all later. So there's a 80 baht admission fee. I just paid mine, got the ticket. Now we headed to, what they call it, the Wat Ram. So I was guessing that there was like a Hindu influence, and I was right.
Hello.
Hey. Ticket. Yep. Okay. Thank you. Oh, it's a bit strict. I had to check the date on the ticket. But it's all well, I just bought it today, so mate, you can check it how many times you want. Yeah, so I was right, there was a Hindu influence on it. It's based on the Ramanaya from Hinduism. Am I saying it right? Yeah, so yep. I think Thai, the Buddhist from India, they brought it over, I think. I'm not wrong, please correct me, because I just did a soft check only. So they brought the Ramayana over, and then they wrote like a Ramakin, or Ramakin. So they wrote that version, the Buddhist version, in Thailand. So yeah, so it's quite similar. Ayutthaya kingdom and the Ayodhya kingdom in India. Yeah, I mean the wording is also pretty similar as well. Yep, I shall not butcher anymore because I didn't do a heavy research. Yeah, so just let y'all enjoy the views, the vlogs. Right, catch y'all later. So I had to pay 80 baht again. Let me take out the ticket. It says it's the one without the hole punched, if you all can see. Looks the same, but no, it's different actually. It says this temple. Yeah, it's a temple, I think. Yeah. So yeah, I had to fork out another 80 baht to visit, to assess these views. Hey, I mean it's not that expensive, so I don't mind paying. So yeah. Stay tuned for more views of this temple. Time now is 12:24. We just arrived at our first PTT stop of the day. We refuel, get something to drink. Weather's hot. The next stop will be a viewpoint. Yeah, we'll be. I think there's this like dragon statue or something. Yeah. And after that is a final PTT stop, which will be at Hua Hin itself, which is our final destination for today. Yeah. So catch y'all later. Ciao. Time is 3:08. The four speedsters have arrived before the rest of them. I was getting a bit tired, so I speeded off. Then I saw Ben chasing me. Yeah. So then I think the two NCs decided to join us also, Prasan and Asha. Right, so now we just reached this location. I don't know what is it called. Yeah, so I'll put the name in the subtitles. Yeah, it's a popular destination, so we're stopping here before we stop over at Hua Hin. Yeah. It's super early, 3:08, so hopefully we can reach. Okay, the rest of them just arrived. That's Jim, Bern, and Billy and Nanfong. Oh, I don't know where's the next ADV. That's Vincent. Right, so okay, I'll vlog more, so just stay tuned, guys.
แต่เธอไม่กลับมาเอารางวัลปล่อยให้ฉันต้องเหงาคนเดียวตรงนี้และแม้เวลาจะผ่านไปนานนับปีใครที่เข้ามาก็มีแต่เขาก็เทียบไม่ได้กับเธอเมื่อฉันยังคงต้องผ่าน
Time now is 5:46. We all checked into our not Airbnb, I'm sorry, but this villa, the pool table and the pool that's not working. We checked in, showered, and we're ready to hit the Hua Hin beach. And then after that, get our dinner at the night market, which is about like 4 minutes right away from the Hua Hin beach. Yeah. Our bikes are just parked outside the villa. Yep. Okay. I think yeah, the vlog for today is ending soon. After going to the beach, wait for the sun to set. My suns will be setting in the opposite direction. Wait for the sun to set, and then dinner, and then that's it for today. So yeah, probably vlog a bit more. Running low on memory on this memory card as well, so I need to change that. So probably end the vlog within the allocated time I have left on this memory card, and then I'll see y'all in the next vlog tomorrow. Yeah. Ciao.
กับดาวบนฟ้าให้เธอที่อยู่ตรงนั้นได้โปรดฟังเพลงนี้กี่ครั้งเวลาที่ใครสักคนเข้ามาแม้เขาจะแสนดีแต่ติดที่ใจของฉันเองที่มันยังคิดถึงเธอมากจนเกินไปไม่เหลือที่ให้ใคร
Guys, it's 6:30. We're at Hua Hin beach, but there's like nothing much to do. So I'm gonna end the vlog here for today. Probably get dinner at the nearby night market. Yep. So see you all tomorrow. Why? I'm talking to.
จะลบ but my heart still want it ฉันจะยอมเป็นคนผิด maybe I'm a stupid boy ถึงเธอจากไปแล้วและฉันก็ยังคงคอยกี่คนที่เข้ามาและฉันนั้นต้องลาจากไปก็เพราะความจริงที่มันยังคิดถึงเธอมากจนเกินไปไม่เหลือที่ให้ใครจะดีแค่ไหนก็ไม่อาจลบออกภาพเธอในใจยังจองพื้นที่ข้างในแต่เมื่อตรายังไม่รู้ต้องทำเช่นไร I think tonight I think about you ตั้งแต่เธอเดินไปฉันรออยู่ baby when I get some roll ไม่เหมือนวันนั้นที่เธอมาคอยดู and she's like กันแก๊สน้ำตาสิ้นส่วนที่เธอลาแล้วมันจะ